Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to create a scrolling photo animation in Canva. So here I am in the Canva account dashboard. So let me just create a blank design right here. So I'll click social media and then click on Instagram story so that we have a vertical design. So from here, we will create a frame containing the photos. So let's click elements, click on frame, and then choose a frame that you want, but I want to use this one, the square with rounded corners. So I'll just adjust the size right here. What we're going to do is that we're going to duplicate this until we have 8 photos. So let me just adjust it so that it has equal spacing. Duplicate it again. Then for the last one, we'll duplicate it again. So it doesn't register the last photos right here. So let me just adjust this one. Click on duplicate. Adjust it properly. Press Ctrl A on the keyboard and then we'll select group. So now we have 8 photos right here. So we'll just do the same thing. We will duplicate this so that we have 2 sets of 8 photos. So from here, we will put some images inside of our frames. So I'll just use the free photos right here in Canva. But for you can use your own photos right here. I'll just go here to photos. Here on the elements. So let's search for photos category. So here is the photos, and then we'll go ahead and insert the photos to our frame. And then now we're going to insert photos to the second frame as well. Then for the last 2 photos, so now we have photos inside of our frame, so we'll just arrange them like that, and then for the other one like this. We'll leave some photo outside of the space right here in the editor. So now we're going to make our background black, and then we are going to create the custom animation. So first, let's open the layer tool. So just press Alt and then number 1 on your keyboard, and then we'll select the first frame right here and then click on animate. So from here we will create a custom animation. So click on it, and then now we need to hold the shift key on our keyboard and then drag the element upwards. So we'll just drag it upwards like this until we reach the end of the frame. So let me just repeat the custom animation. Sorry. So we need to select the group as a whole and then click on animate, and then let's create the animation again. For example, like this, we now have this animation, and then we will select steady. So let me repeat it one more time. We need to make sure that it is only going upwards. Then like that. Now we have a perfect animation. Let's keep it to steady. And then if you want to adjust the speed, you can do so as well. So if you want a faster animation or a slower animation, so we'll just keep it like that. Click on done. Now we'll do the same thing on the other frame, but now downwards. So we'll just select the whole group right here. Click on animate custom animation, and then drag our group downwards. So now we have this animation, and then I'll just repeat the animation again so that we have a steady animation. So like this. Now we'll click steady, and then you can adjust the speed so that it syncs up with your other frame. And then now we have completed the scrolling photo animation. So if you want to as well, you can just add like a search bar right here. We can go to shapes. Just type in here square. Then choose this one. And then adjust the size of the square so that it looks like a search bar. So let's zoom in. Then adjust the look of our bar right here. And then let's add the search icon. Into our search bar. So now we have this, and then we can insert some text right here. And then let's make the text white, and then let's just say photo collage, and then that is it. We have now completed our photo animation right here in Canva. So we can click on play, and then now we have this scrolling photo animation. And then I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.